Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today we are heading to Mazamitla, which is a Pueblo Mágico, or a magic town in the state of Jalisco. Woo! And that is what a tope is.
Oh my god. Feel that?
Wow. The roads here can be pretty brutal. Usually though, when driving in Mexico, the roads are, like the highway is pretty good, but usually that's for the toll roads. But right now we are not on a toll road. So, yeah. This might give you guys an idea of what roads in Mexico are like, not taking the toll road. As you can see, there's a tope. Oh, there we go. Topes are a reoccurring theme here in Mexico. Another tope. Look at this place, wow. They are selling a lot of these. Watermelons! Wow, there are so many. Wow, it's like the berry greenhouse. This is San Luis Sayotlan. This is Tuxtqueca. I don't know if I'm saying it correctly. If I'm saying it wrong, please correct me. Oh, there's a dog on the road. Okay. Look, there's more watermelons. We have arrived in Mazamitla. Woo! This is the central part of Mazamitla, and I think this is the famous church that they have in this town. We're going to be showing you guys what Mazamitla looks like, what the vibe is like, and give you guys a great idea about if you want to come visit here, or maybe even live here. Let's go. So far in our experience here, we've had one person speak English. I've heard one person so far. They have a lot of restaurants here, we've noticed when we were driving in, and stores. It's very touristy over here. It kind of reminds me of Pátzcuaro. But a more poppin' Pátzcuaro, like busier, more things happening.
That wheelchair is cool.
Wow.
That's like an off-road wheelchair.
Wow.
place reminds me a lot of Pátzcuaro. It's really, it's not even a special day. It's during the week, and it's early in the day.
Yeah.
And there's so much action and like festivities.
Mazamitla is sometimes called the Switzerland of Mexico. Wow, look at the little cover. It's like Little House on the Prairie.
Yeah. Wow, this house looks like it's made of clay or
Wow.
mud.
Ooh.
It doesn't look like it's holding up well. This house, the whole entire, oh, maybe just this wall. Maybe they made the front wall. I don't know. That's weird. It doesn't look like it's holding up well, though. Buenas tardes.
Buenas tardes.
Yeah, look at this.
Wow,
Looks like the wall's about to just collapse.
really old.
Keep in mind, everybody, that this is the center that we're in. So because it's the center, it's going to give you a very city-like vibe. We're not in the rural area of Mazamitla right now.
Don Pepe. Ooh, it's a bakery. Oh, they're making it in there. Hola.
Hola.
Hola. Buenas tardes. Wow. Very nice. Muy bien. Interesting. Is that cornbread?
I don't know.
¿Qué es esto?
Cortadillo.
¿Qué es esto?
Es un pan, ahí adentro lleva mermelada de fresa y
Strawberry bread.
tiene coco rallado y como es un glaseado de fresa.
Coconut strawberries. Is it maíz?
No,
No.
no, es de harina.
Oh, flour.
okay.
Okay, so flour bread with strawberries and coconuts on top.
Okay.
Gracias. ¿Cómo te llamas?
Regina.
Brittany y yo.
Hola, mucho gusto.
Two haces?
No.
El pan. No.
Wow. Cool.
Okay. Wow, very cool. What is this, honey? Looks like honey.
Yeah.
Miel? Honey, yeah. You can see like the, what do they call it, honeycomb?
The comb, yeah.
Wow, look at that. That's legit, people. Wow. Choconito, because there's chocolate on top. Wow. Besos means kisses.
Ah.
Yeah.
Mm.
Wow. Cacahuates.
This was cornbread.
Oh, it was.
Pan de elote.
It's really popular.
Yeah, it's gone.
Wow. Brownies.
Gracias.
Por tu
Adios.
tiempo. Adios. Okay. Now we will continue to explore. The name Mazamitla comes from Nahuatl and means place where arrows to hunt deer are made.
I like how these aren't cobblestone streets. These are like slate. I don't know. I don't know what it is, but flat rocks.
Mm-hmm.
And they're really nice to walk on.
Yeah. There's a carniceria. That's like a butcher shop, right?
Yeah.
The two Marias, las dos Marias.
Huh?
Wow, look at these plants.
Wow.
Wow, look at this. Let's walk over here. Oh. Hola. Buenas tardes.
Hola, buenas tardes.
Just to give you guys a point of reference, it says Jacinto Chavarria.
Everybody's been so friendly so far.
Yeah. This is the more rural area.
Yeah. Hola, buenas tardes.
Buenas tardes.
Little poop, horse poop there.
Ew.
Lots of horse poop.
Wow.
Little roosters and horse poop. Yeah, this is like being back in real Mexico compared to places like Chapala and Ajijic.
Oh, these are cobblestone streets, right?
Yeah, these are more cobbly.
Cobbly.
Yeah, these aren't as flat.
Yeah. As the Lake Chapala area. Look at them, they're doing electrical work on the ladder like that.
Yeah.
Wow.
This definitely so reminds me of Pátzcuaro. Actually, it makes me miss Pátzcuaro because I did like the town of Pátzcuaro. I didn't necessarily like Janitzio.
Hola.
Oh, buenas tardes.
Buenas tardes. So cute. Look at the little one. Look at his tail.
Hola. You saw that? I said, hola. He went,
They have boots hanging like that. It's so funny. Wonder why. Hola.
Hola.
Hola. Buenas tardes.
buenas tardes. Buenas tardes.
Bien.
Muy bien, gracias.
Que pasen buen
Too.
día.
Okay, gracias igualmente.
Gracias. Look, it says Boutique Frida Kahlo.
Bam 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 gas. Bam 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 bam.
Okay, I think I've seen enough of this. Let's walk back.
It's so funny seeing a mom
Yeah.
dressed in a pretty little pink sweater
Yeah.
with her kid in the back of an all-terrain vehicle riding down the street. I think this is a really fun feeling town.
Yeah.
I don't think I'd want to live here
No.
because there's like, I think there's way too many buildings falling apart for me to feel comfortable.
Yeah.
And also there's way too many of these like ATVs and motorcycles. They're like everywhere.
Everywhere.
Way worse than any town that I've seen before this. Such a cute house up there.
According to what I read online, Mazamitla was founded by the Aztecs in 1165 and was later invaded by the Purepecha from Michoacan.
Hola, hola. We want tacos.
Tacos,
Yeah.
se los traigo aquí. He can come with the tacos.
Oh, come with the tacos. Oh, okay.
Okay. What kind of
Sit down,
tacos you
please.
want?
But we were actually told to go to a restaurant up this way for tacos.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, that's where we're going now.
Va para allá, güey.
Thank you. Gracias.
Gracias.
That's the place.
Yeah, let's go there.
Gracias.
Gracias.
Welcome.
Thank you.
Gracias.
Gracias.
Best tacos.
Oh yeah?
Someone told us to come here.
The best tacos.
Gracias.
Nice to meet you.
Joe, and this is Brittany.
Me parece tarjetita.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
The card. Gracias.
Gracias. Hola, buen dia.
Buen dia.
Little gambling machine that they have. It's very popular in Mexico. Usually the kids like them.
They don't have oh, they do have Coke Zero. They do.
Even this place has Coke
Wow.
Zero.
You want one? Look, it's in a plastic bottle.
Perfecto. Yes, adios.
Gracias, adios. Much better. Now I'm hydrated. I thought it was going to be colder here. I really did not think that it would be this hot here. Because Mazamitla does get cold, and this is wintertime, but it was surprisingly hot. And it was January. It can even snow here. If you've ever been here when it snowed, please let us know and comment below. Also, if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe to see more content like this. Have a great day. Catch you in the next video.